Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Swtheavenlydove and today I have DIYs for you. Also, I want to introduce our open collaboration with host DIY Aurelia, host One Way Designs 238, co-host Sunflower Tasha DIYs, and none other, me, Swtheavenlydove. This is my first co-host collaboration. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to each of one of these wonderful, wonderful crafters. Oh yes, one thing I forgot to mention. These DIYs are for summer, so you can choose whatever one you want. I decided to go for the Patriotic summer items. Enjoy. First, I use a wall decor. Of course, this one's for Christmas. You can use any particular one. I just like the grooves on the side, so it kind of stands out a little bit. It's not your typical square or round or whatever. So I decided to use this. I will use the white chalk paint and paint it completely, and I will be back. Yes, it's dry and painted, and I'm using the mini flags from Dollar Tree, of course, and I cut it off the plastic holder stand stick. Be careful because it will thread. Is that the word for thread? Or loose? The threads will loosen up on the sides from you using the scissors, so be careful. And I will use Mod Podge to glue it down and to coat over the entire plaque, and enjoy a little music while I am using Mod Podge. Next, I decided to put some stars, foam scatters. And instead of foam ones, if you want to, you can use wood stars and paint them like red, white, or blue. But I decided to give it a little bit more pizzazz, some glitter look. So I use red stars at the top, one white star on each side, and blue stars down at the bottom. This DIY was a pretty simple DIY, so anyone can do it. All the items are from Dollar Tree. And to hang the wall decor, I used twine. I double knot each side and glued it to the holes. So it's a simple process. And this concludes the first DIY. Let me know somewhere which one do you like the most, 1, 2, or 3. This is DIY number 2, and I'm starting off with a wood circle, and I'm painting it using the white chalk paint. And once that is completely dry, I will move on and use the window clings. Originally, I thought they were the stickers, but when I brought it home, I was like, oh, these are window clings. So I have to do it a little bit different with the window clings. And I use glue to stick it down. It is not going to stick on its own because it's not a window. So I did use glue to stick down the window clings. Enjoy. Well, I'm gonna be putting a bow. It's so funny. I always mess up on my bows. I just haven't mastered bows yet. So bear with me. So this is my attempt of doing the bows. And then once that's completed, I'm going to put a couple of flowers, roses, one white, one red. I decided not to use blue because the stickers or the clings already have enough blue, so it needs something to help bring out the red and the white. So that's why I chose those two. And what is not shown at the end of the video, I put some of the scatters on this project because it needed something. It was just too plain to me. So you would see that in the end. I hope you like number 2 and 1, whichever one. And the items that I use to hang the decor are wood beads. These are the square ones. I just use red and white on this one as well to help bring out the colors. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed number 2. Let me know in the comment section down below. There you have it. Well, this is DIY number 3 and the quickest out of all of them. I use a photo frame that already had the 4th of July Patriotic design on it, and I use a piece of cardstock, white cardstock. You can get white cardstock pieces at Dollar Tree, but this is from my other stash. And I use window cling as well, but I did not glue it down because I didn't want it to accidentally seep through and stick to the glass, because I wanted to give you the option. You can change it out. I put an actual picture or anything else in this frame to repurpose it. So I use There Is No Place Like Home cling. It took me a little time to, I don't know, those are a little difficult. They're not as easy as the stickers to get off. And I finally did, and I used the USA on the side and I think the red star and the blue star I think I used. So I will be back at the end to conclude. This concludes number 3. Thanks for watching this video. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to watch the other crafters who are part of this collaboration. DIY Aurelia, One Way Designs 238, Sunflower Tasha DIYs, and everyone else that's on the playlist that will be in the description box down below. And as I always conclude, be blessed.